Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to break into the world of data analysis in 2025, you have come to the right place. Today we are diving into Power BI, the game-changing tool that's revolutionizing how we visualize and analyze data. Whatever you are, a complete beginner or just starting your Power BI journey, I've got you covered. Let's unlock the power of data step by step. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate Power BI Desktop, the most widely used tool for building reports and dashboards. We will cover everything from importing data, transforming it, creating visuals, and even building interactive reports. Well, data is more important than ever. Companies are obsessed with making data-driven decisions. And guess what? Power BI is at the heart of it all. It's used by everyone, from startups to Fortune 500 companies, to create dynamic, interactive dashboards that give insights in real time. First, open your web browser and head to the official Power BI website. Once you are on the site, find the download button at the top of the page and click it. On the download page, you will see an option to download Power BI Desktop for free. Go ahead and click on the download button. The installer file will be downloaded to your computer. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your downloads folder. Double-click on the file to begin the installation process. A pop-up will appear asking for your permission to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. At this point, the installer will begin installing Power BI Desktop. The process will only take a few minutes, so be patient while it completes. Once the installation is complete, you will see a confirmation screen. Simply click Finish to close the installer and complete the setup. Let's start by importing some data. Power BI allows you to connect to almost any data source, whether it's an Excel sheet, SQL database, or even data from the cloud. I'm going to load a simple Excel file where to show you how easy it is to get started. Now that Power BI Desktop is open, let's upload an Excel file. Start by clicking on Home in the top menu and selecting Get Data from the list. Choose Excel and click Connect. A File Explorer window will pop up. Navigate to where your Excel file is saved, select it and click Open. Once the file is loaded, you will see a preview of the data. Select the sheets or tables you want to import and click Load. And just that, your Excel data is now in Power BI. You can start creating visualizations and analyzing your data right away. Once the data is uploaded, you can transform it, where the magic happens. Power BI's Power Query Editor makes cleaning and shaping your data a breeze. We'll cover this in detail, so you'll be able to handle any dataset like a pro. Now let's take a quick look at the Power Query Editor in Power BI. To open it, click on Transform Data from the Home tab. This opens the Power Query Editor where you can clean and transform your data. In the editor, you can remove columns, filter data, change data types, and more. Once you are done, click Close and Apply to load the transformed data into Power BI. Now the fun part, creating visuals. Power BI has a ton of built-in charts and visualization options. We'll walk through bar charts, pie charts, line graphs, and even advanced visuals like maps and gauges. You'll be able to create professional-looking reports in no time. Now let's create some visuals in Power BI. First, select your data fields from the right pane and drag them onto the canvas. Once your data is on the canvas, choose the type of visuals you want from the visualization pane. You can select bar charts, pie charts, tables, or more. Customize your visuals by adjusting the settings in the visualization pane, like adding titles or changing colors. And that's it. You have created your first visual in Power BI. And don't worry, it's all interactive. We'll also dive into filters, slicers, and drill downs, so you can make your reports interactive and let your audience explore the data on their own. Once your visuals are in place, it's time to build a report. Power BI makes it super simple to drag and drop, resize, and organize your visuals into a professional report or dashboard. We'll cover how to publish your report to Power BI service and share it with your team. Once you have finished creating your report in Power BI, it's time to save your work. To do so, simply click on File menu in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Save if you're saving it for the first time, or Save As if you want to save a new version. Choose a location on your computer, give your report a name, and click Save. Your Power BI report is now saved as a .pbix file, and you can easily reopen it later to continue editing or share it with others. By the end of this tutorial, you will be ready to start creating your own Power BI reports that will blow your team away and give you that data-driven edge in your career. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future tutorials. Trust me, there's a lot more coming your way in the world of data analytics. Remember, 2025 is all about upskilling, and Power BI is one tool that will help you do just that. So let's get started with Power BI and make this your year to master data analysis. See you in the next tutorial.